A very good morning, students. So, we are learning about the life of Maria Sharapova, one of the renowned tennis player, the best tennis player in the world. She has won many titles, and to reach to the pinnacles to the success, she had to put in hard work and the firm determination and the sacrifice that has enabled her to to achieve the pinnacles of success. So we have already discussed about the earlier years of her life, that she was a Russian player. She was born in Russia and then went to the USA along with her father. She had to face the separation of her mother for 2 years because of some visa restrictions. See, she was only 10-year girl. She was only 10 years old when she was taken to the USA for her training, and the training was too hard, too tough, and she had to face some other troubles also in the hostel, where other girls used to humiliate her, and the treatment of those was very inhuman. But it made her more determined, it made her more hungry to achieve success. Fine. Okay, let's move ahead. That toughness runs through Maria even today. It was the key to her begging and women's singles crown at Wimbledon in 2004, and to her meteoric rise to the world #1 spot in the following year. And this toughness means the strong physical and mental health. Fine, firm determination. So this toughness is there in Maria's attitude even today, and that was the key to her success. She bagged the women's singles crown at Wimbledon in 2004, and that was the meteoric rise to the world #1 spot. Meteoric, you must be knowing the meaning of meteors. You must have studied it in geography. Meteors are the parts of heavenly bodies that enter into our environment, and they burn and they appear like shooting stars, meteors. So asteroids and meteors are the heavenly and these bodies, heavenly bodies that are found in our space. Fine? And therefore her win is considered as meteoric rise. Fine? While her journey from the frozen plains of Siberia to the summit of women's tennis has touched the hearts of tennis fans, for the youngster herself there appears to be no room for sentiment. The straight looks and the answers she gives when asked about her ambition make it amply clear that she considers the sacrifices were worth it. I am very, very competitive. I work hard at what I do. It's my job. This is her mantra for success. What did she say? She reached from the frozen areas, frozen plains of Siberia. रशिया की थी वो, तो साइबेरिया के फ्रोजन प्लेन्स से लेकर कहाँ तक? टू द समिट ऑफ विमेंस टेनिस. She has touched the thousands of hearts. She is a very popular player, tennis player all over the world, and she left no room for sentiments. if she would be sentimental, she would have left the country of America and came back to her own native land. But she had no place, no space for sentiments. She had straight looks when she is asked, in interviews, when she is asked about her ambitions, she says that I am very competitive. She was very competitive and she worked very hard to do it. To attain the goal, she worked very hard and it was her job. And that was her mantra for success. Though Maria Sharapova speaks with a pronounced American accent, she proudly parades her Russian nationality. Clearing all doubts, she says, I am Russian. It's true that US is the big part of my life, but I have Russian citizenship. My blood is totally Russian. I will play the Olympics for Russia if they want me. See the love for her country. Though she is Russian from origin, settled in America, she played for America, but she had an inherent love for Russia as well. She says that she would play for Russia if the country wishes in Olympics. Okay? Like any number of teenage sensation, Maria Sharapova lists fashion, singing and dancing as her hobbies. She loves reading the novels of Arthur Conan Doyle. Her fondness for sophisticated evening gowns appears at odds with her love of pancakes with chocolate spread and fizzy orange drinks. And of course, at the time when she achieved the all success, when she was at the pinnacle of success, she was a teenager itself. Fine. She has a great love for fashion, for food, singing, dancing. These all are her hobbies. She is good in these things also. Fashion, dancing, singing. And above all, she reads the novels of Arthur Conan Doyle. I want that you find out what is this Arthur Conan Doyle famous for? What kind of novel he has written? Apart from it, she is very popular for fashion field. She wears fashionable gowns. Apart from it, she had a love for pancakes with chocolates spread. Fine. So she has a personality of multicolored, we can say she has an multicolored personality. She is the owner of multi-talented personality. Fine. She is the owner of multi-dimensional skills. It is not that she is only good at tennis only. She is a multi-dimensional personality. Okay? Maria Sharapova cannot be pigeonholed or categorized. Her talent, unwavered desire to succeed and readiness to sacrifice have lifted her to the top of the world. Few would grudge her riches she is now reaping. This is what she has to say about her monetary gains from tennis. Of course, money is a motivation. Tennis is a business and a sport, but the most important thing is to become number one in the world. That's the dream that kept me going. See how she is lost in tennis. We cannot categorize her. पिजन होल, मतलब हम इसको एक ही जगह बांध के नहीं रख सकते. हर टैलेंट इज multidimensional, as I told you. She has a strong desire to succeed and a readiness to sacrifice anything to achieve that success. That is, all these things lifted her to the pinnacle of the success. Are you getting this line? Her desire to succeed and readiness to sacrifice. पहली बात तो आप में वो डिज़ायर हो कि हमें क्या करना है. देन टू सेक्रीफाइस एवरीथिंग फॉर द सेक ऑफ दैट गोल. ओके, ऑल दीज हैव लिफ्टेड हर टू द टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. एंड फॉर दैट सेक्रीफाइस, फॉर दैट हार्ड वर्क, नाउ शी इज रीपिंग द मनी. फाइन, रीपिंग द मनी मीन्स उसने जो अपनी मेहनत, हार्ड वर्क और जो स्ट्रॉन्ग डिज़ायर, जो विल पावर, जो हंगर उसने अपनी पैशन के लिए दिखाई, हॉबी के लिए, अपने गेम के लिए दिखाई, अब उसकी फसल वो काट रही है. शी इज़ रीपिंग द क्रॉप ऑफ मनी. ओके, एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट शी हैज़ टू से अबाउट हर मॉनेटरी गेन्स. And it is also this game of tennis is also highly paid game. Like cricketers in our country, they also are highly paid players, but at the same time, tennis is very popular all around the world. So she says that money is of course a motivation, but tennis is a business and a sport as well. The most important thing is to become number one in the world, and that is the dream that kept her going. एक यही चीज़ है जो उसे मोटिवेट करती है.